Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I've been trying to shoot a video for like 2 months. It has taken me not 2 times. Let's see. I filmed like 5 videos and none of them were in focus and I was so mad. But it's okay, so I really hope this one is in focus. But anyway, welcome. Hi, it's been a long time coming. So today's video is going to be about a Maybelline New York Kenya unboxing. So I figured it would be really nice, like just to show you guys what I got and how I plan to wear the makeup. But first of all, let me just show you the products. Yeah, okay, here they are. So I got invited to this thing about almost 2 weeks ago, and we got a lot, okay, not a lot, but like a lot of products. Like, look at that, that's a lot. So I just wanted to share with you guys basically what we got and then how I plan on playing with them, and then I can show you maybe their looks in another video or in another blog post or in another photograph. But anyway, so here we go. The first product, I just put them on the side. So let's see, what do we start with? A palette. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but yeah, it's called the Rock Nudes palette, and it's not really a quad. How many colors are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 12 shadows, which is really nice, and they're quite all shimmery. There's a few matte shades, but I'm really excited to play with this because this is like my fifth palette, I would say, which is very exciting because I'm really enjoying playing with eyeshadow lately. I'm really enjoying it. So can't wait to play with this and show you what I come up with. And then next we have setting powder. Now I think I mentioned in my blog, if you haven't followed my blog, by the way, check it out. It's from curveswithlove.com. I'll give it a link, and just check it out. Check it down below, somewhere in the description box. So next we have what is this called? It's a Maybelline New York Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. I'm really excited to try this, although I'm not sure because it's white. I don't know if you can see consistency. It's a white powder, but it looks nice. So I'm really excited to try it because I'm really, especially the days when I want to like really beat my face and like have like a flawless finish, no flashback, especially if it's something that's going to run through the night. I really want like something that will set my makeup and it will not move. Like I do not like having flashback. I hate using flash on my camera. It's just because looking that gray whole cast thing is not cute. It's not cute. It's not. Anyway, yeah, so I'm really excited to try this, although I'm a bit worried because it's white, but we'll see how that goes. Oh, and actually it's a second setting powder I have. The other one I have is Sasha Buttercup, which I got from Asmini Beauty, who I will link down below as well on Instagram. And yeah, so next product is a primer. So this is the Maybelline New York Master Prime Hydrating Primer, and it has hyaluronic acid, and it's written 50. I don't know if you can see that, but 50 being I guess it's a SPF. Now I'll confess and say I used this throughout last week because I finished what I normally use for my primer, which I'll share maybe in another video. But anyway, so I've been using this. I don't have dry skin, so I've kind of been feeling very oily with it. I guess I'd probably use it on the days that I don't wear makeup. But I mean, I don't mind it, although I do have some breakouts. I don't know if they're visible. But yeah, I can't really complain. I'm not sure if my skin is reacting because it's not used to using primers as such, because I use Milk of Magnesia. But anyway, that's another story for another day, for another video. But yeah, so this is nice, but I think I'd wear it more if I was not wearing any makeup at all. Yeah, then the next one is, what is this? think I'll go with the highlighters. I will start with the Master Strobing Stick. Now, I've never used any cream consistency kind of highlighter anything, so I'm kind of excited to use this. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it on my everyday like makeup look, the one I used to go to work. I don't know if you guys would be interested to see that. So please let me know if you'd like to see that, and then I'll share it, or I'll film a video. Maybe this coming weekend, because at least it's a very long weekend, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to do something for you guys. But anyway, so this is a Master Strobing Stick highlighter, and the shade is called number 300 Dark Gold. But I like the packaging because it's really easy to carry around, especially if you travel a lot. I don't travel a lot, but if you do, this would be good for you. And then next is another highlighter. Now this is a pressed powder highlighter, which is one of my favorite ways to wear highlighter. I haven't really tried the loose powder highlighters, so I don't know, but I'm excited to try this one. This is a Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. It looks so nice. I don't know if I should open it, but then that's how it looks. And the shade is number 100 Molten Gold. I'm very sure this is a nice one. It's not okay. I think it's really, 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 really nice. So yeah, can't wait to try this as well. I don't know if you guys would want to see maybe a full face of Maybelline makeup. Let me know, then I can do something when I get time to film, when my technology is not trying to fail me. Because honestly, I've tried to film like 5 videos, and I filmed 5 and everything just goes wrong, and then I stop, and then I don't edit, and then it just comes out terribly. Anyway, so next is what? Concealer. So I don't know, this concealer is slightly darker than me, but it's the Fit Me Maybelline New York concealer. And I mean, I'm already a fan of the Fit Me range because I use the, what is it called? Oh my gosh. The Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless. That's my everyday foundation. Actually, it's my foundation. It's my staple. I can't even say it's my everyday foundation because it's the one I wear. And then the only probably other foundation I wear is MAC Studio Fix Fluid. So the shade I wear for, oh shit. The shade I wear for the MAC is NC45, and for Fit Me I wear Toffee 330. So this feels a bit dark. I haven't opened it yet, but I don't know if I could probably use it as kind of like a very, 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 very subtle contour, like just something to give some dimension to the face. I don't know, like somewhere here. Can you see that? Because it's a bit slightly darker. But anyway, we'll see how that goes. Then actually, oh, and it something else I remembered. It reminds me of one of my favorite concealers. I should do a favorite video. I'm so flustered because I've been trying to film this for like an hour and a half now. What is it called? I'm blanking. I've been trying, what is it? Oh shit. NARS. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, because the one I have is in the shade Caramel, which is my favorite thing ever. I don't even know how I'm going to restock on it, but Lord, I need that thing in my life. Another one. I need another tube of that. But anyway, I think I could try a shade lighter of this, then see how that goes, because I'm pretty sure this is a way more affordable option. Yeah. And then next, next I have the Colossal Kajal liner. I don't know if you can see that. It's black, and which is a very funny thing that I got. Okay, it's funny, but it's not, I don't know. Okay. I wanted to buy this because I'm not really one to line my waterline, but because I've been trying out like different sorts of makeup looks that require me to tight line, so to line the upper lash line and then the lower lash line. I've been trying to look for something that's really easy on the eyes, because my eyes tear. Like the moment I just put the pencil like right here, I can feel like instantly feel the tear. So I'm really, really, really hoping that this wouldn't be that bad, so I could probably try this in another look. But yeah, I've really been enjoying doing the whole tagline, waterline thing, just so that, you know, different looks, like not every day just upper lash line, you know. And then yeah, oh, and this is a shade extra black. And then next is I have tulip colors, so it's a Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. So first time I thought these were matte liquid lipsticks, but then they actually were glossy. So I have tried this. It felt a bit rare, but I think I need to try it again. Maybe more of a like fully done face, not just an everyday face where I do blend it. And then this I like. I think this I'll be able to wear this on a daily basis. I like colors. So this is red. It's number 22, and the shade is classic. And then this is the Vivid Hot Lacquer number 66. Too cute. These are really nice. I like these. I've actually never tried these before, so I'm really excited to try them. Although I've tried this, so I'm gonna try this maybe tomorrow. Yeah, and then last product, I have to save the best for last, because y'all know me and mascaras. I wear mascara so much. I wear like 3 coats every day, and I don't have no regrets. But anyway, this is like my favorite mascara ever. Everyone asks me like, oh my god, what mascara do you use? It is this one. This is the Lash Sensational line. It's my favorite line, and I got I don't even have to buy another one, because the one I'm using I got it last month, and it's almost done, because I wear mascara so much. I wear so many things almost done. So I'm so excited about this. This is it's the best. You guys have to try it out, basically. So that makes for the last product. I don't know if I think I'll just show you maybe a few looks and how I wear these types of these products. But then yeah, they're quite a number. And I can give you guys, okay, you know what, I'm gonna share these with you guys so you can find places to buy them online if you don't find them in store, because I know you can buy them from like Carrefour and where else? I think Chandarana. I think only Chandarana. I'm not sure anywhere else you can buy them, but online you can buy them Jumia Kenya. And I'll give you, you know what, I'll give you guys links to each and every of these products that I find online, just so you guys can buy some for yourselves and save some coins. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to trying these out. Let me know if you guys want to see a full face of these products, because I'm pretty sure I can do a full face. I have everything I need. Yes, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I look forward to the next video. Okay, bye guys.